Alright, this is how you withdraw money from the Pulse site. As you can see right now, I have my PayPal registered in Kenya, but I'm in Uganda currently. So this is how you withdraw. You select Kenya as your country. If you are in Uganda, there is only Bitcoin, and there the fee will be high, so they will be charging $4 and you'll be receiving $1. But now just select Kenya, click on PayPal, and when you click on PayPal, you'll be seeing such information. Click on withdraw, and they'll ask you for your OTP code. It will be sent to your email. Make sure you copy it and click on submit, and you just have to wait. Okay, they will tell you 72 hours, but it won't take all that time. So within 8 hours mine was already released. So they will show you 72, which is not true. It's just for waiting. And then after 8 hours they sent me this redeem page. I clicked on redeem, so that's the email that I received. Then click on redeem the money that you'll be withdrawing. As I said, I registered my PayPal as a Kenyan, so I'll search for Kenya. Then after Kenya, you'll be seeing PayPal International. Click on that, confirm your email that you have on PayPal, then click on transfer. After it was transferred, I received a notification on my phone, and you're going to be seeing the evidence very soon. So that's the notification that I received. And then also this is a recording of me when I received the money, so the recording will be shown very soon. I'm going to refresh my account, and I see if at all they have sent the money that they are saying. Okay, I guess that's the notification. As you can see, I have received $5 from Pulse. I'm going to be showing you all these videos very soon.